In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Salesforce invoice. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your billing effortlessly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools and settings you'll need. Make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account, and once you're there, you'll see the familiar layout of the Lightning experience. Next, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which is your gateway to various settings and configurations. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu, presenting you with a range of options related to your account and its settings. From this drop-down menu, look for the section labeled Billing and Purchases. Clicking on this will lead you to a dedicated area for managing your financial transactions with Salesforce. It's where you'll handle everything from invoices to payment information. Now, once you're in the Billing and Purchases section, if you have an active subscription, you'll see a button specifically for paying your invoice. This button is your direct link to settling any outstanding payments. However, if you haven't subscribed yet, you won't see this button, and you might be prompted to start a subscription first. If the button is visible, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. Typically, this will involve entering your payment details and confirming the amount due. Salesforce aims to make this process as straightforward as possible, so you should find it intuitive to navigate through the payment steps. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can easily manage and pay your Salesforce invoices, ensuring your account remains in good standing. Remember, keeping up with your invoices not only helps avoid any disruptions in service, but also aids in maintaining a clear financial record with Salesforce. If you encounter any issues or have questions during this process, Salesforce provides comprehensive support and resources. Don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for any assistance you might need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using Salesforce effectively.